In this video, I want to show you how to convert Excel sheet to Polygon in QGIS. For example, I have this data in Excel, which consists of the longitude, latitude, the area and confidence level of measurement, the geometry, and the code. This is actually a measurement of a parcel, and the result is tabulated in Excel. Now, if you want to convert these Excels directly to Polygon, that is to demarcate the edges of the building or the parcel, let me show you how to do it. But to do that, make sure you have the latitude, the longitude, and more importantly, the geometry. So the geometry, you can see the value of the geometry here. Make sure you have it in Excel. Then to convert it to Polygon, save it in CSV format. To do that, click on Save, navigate to your working folder, and let's save it as Excel to Polygon, for instance. Then click on the drop down and select CSV, delimited. Then click on Save. Click on Yes. Click on Yes. So you have saved it as CSV. Let's go to QGIS. Here is QGIS. To bring that CSV file in, come to Layer, come to Add Layer, and come to Add Delimited Text Layer. Click on it. It will open Delimited Text Layer. Then click here to navigate to that folder where you save it. And I save it as Excel to Polygon.csv. So I'll click to select it and click on Open. Then here is where you specify. Come under Geometry Definition. Make sure you check Well-Known Text. Check it. Then the Geometry field, make sure you select Geometry. That is the Geometry field. And the Geometry type, make sure you select Polygon. So select Geometry field as Geometry and select Geometry type as Polygon. Then click on Add and click on Close. You can see that the Excel to Polygon has been converted straight away to Polygon in QGIS. So the next thing to do now is to convert it to shapefile, and to do that you just need to export it. Right click and click on Export. Click on Save Features As. Then click here to navigate to your working folder, and then we can just call it Parcel and click on Save. Then click on OK. You can see we now have it here as Polygon. So you can see that I successfully converted Excel straight and directly to Polygon in QGIS. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.